Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're planning to get the Samsung Galaxy S24 and you're wondering whether your case from the Samsung Galaxy S23 will fit the Samsung Galaxy S24 or not, well, that is what we're going to check in this video. Now, do note that the Samsung Galaxy S24 is a little bit taller than the Samsung Galaxy S23, and here it is. You can see on your screen right now that the case here is not fitting properly. Even if I give it a little push, it is not fitting properly. You can see the frame of the Samsung Galaxy S24 in this Samsung Galaxy S23 case. Another thing you will notice is that the LED flash hole does not line up. So they have moved the LED flash a wee bit down, which means that your Samsung Galaxy S23 case LED flash hole is not going to line up with the LED flash on the Samsung Galaxy S24. The buttons here, the power button does line up, and the same is true for your volume up and volume down as well. But again, just because the Samsung Galaxy S24 is a wee bit taller than the Samsung Galaxy S23, that means that a case from the Galaxy S23 is not going to fit the Samsung Galaxy S24.